Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Russian spiral beaded bracelet without using elastic, beading thread, or any clasp. This design creates a smooth, seamless bangle that's sturdy, flexible, and really comfortable to wear. If you've been wanting a bracelet that simply slides over the hand but still look elegant and professional, this tutorial is perfect for you. So I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so grab your beads, your needle, and let's get started. Our materials are these beads, and we have this Toho bugle beads that they are in 3mm of bugle beads, Miyuki 11O gold seed beads, and we also need a satin or any kind of like this beading thread. You don't need to buy elastic thread, or you can use any kind of satin thread or any kind of thread, embroidery thread. Okay, so let's get started. You need 4 meters of beading thread. I don't know what exactly long. We will pick white bugle beads, 1 white, 1 11O seed beads, 1 silver bugle beads, 1 11O seed beads, 1 gold bugle beads, and 1 11O seed beads. So we will make a loop and knot them. Like this. Okay, and we will reinforce them. We will pass the needle through all the way around. So we are exiting here on 11O seed beads, and I think I will handle it like this. And then we will pick 1 white and 1 gold seed beads, and we will pass the needle to this 1 11O seed beads, these seed beads. Okay, like this, and they will pop like this on the top. And then the next step is we will pick this silver bugle beads, and pick 1 11O. Skip this bugle beads, and we will pass the needle through these 11O seed beads. Give it some pull, and they will pop like this. And this time they will not pop very well because we are making the second row. And then the next step is to the next 11 seed beads, like this. And they are starting to pop like this. And the next is the silver one and seed beads. And then we will skip this silver bugle beads and we will pass the needle to this 11 seed beads. They are popping, start popping right now, like this. And then the next is gold bugle beads and 11 and we will skip this gold bugle beads and we will pass the needle to this 11 seed beads. Make a pull. And then pick white and 11 seed beads. And then we will pass the needle to the next 11 seed beads. We will skip the white bugle beads, like this. And the next is pick the silver and then 11 and then we will pass the needle to these 11 seed beads, like this. And they are popping. They are starting to pop, you know. A little pull to make it tight. And then pick the gold and 11 seed beads. Pass the needle to this 11 seed beads and and pick white 11 and pick this one and pass the needle to this 11 seed beads. And pull it nice and clean, like this. They are diagonally. They are making diagonally so good right now. And then we will pick the next silver and 11 seed beads. And we will pass the needle to this 11 like this. And then the next is this gold bugle bead and 11 and we will pass the needle to this next 11 seed beads, like this. And if you will look the side of our project, some kind of like this. Need some pull to make it more nice and clean. If you have a stick or this kind of tool, you can so if you have a barbecue stick or some long stick like this, I cut the pointed part so we can insert the, you can hold like this, you know, to make, to handle more easily, right? So we continue our process, our method, or our bracelet, and we will pick white bugle beads and 11 seed beads, and we will pass the needle to this 11, and then the next is this silver bugle beads and 11, so we will pass the needle to this 11, and we will repeat the process until we reach this size of bracelet. How to size our hand? I will size my hand to the part, to this part of mine. So I will hold it like this, and I think 22 centimeter, you know, 22 centimeter or 21. I have here for 19, so we will make the rest of the length, and I will be back if they are ready. So we will make this for 20.5 centimeter. It's okay, 20.5, because they are stretchable, you know, they are stretchable. And then I'm ending my bugle beads on a gold one, this one, gold one, so we will attach them. So we're ending on a gold one, and we will attach them like this, so we don't need any beads. So we will pass the needle to the other side of the white one, and this next 11 seed beads like this. So we will pass the needle to the next, the other side of the bangle, to the next 11 seed beads like this. Okay, and then we will pass the needle to this, to the other side of, pass the needle to the next silver one here, and to the next 11 seed beads right here. And we will go to the next, the other side of this 11 seed beads, this one, and pull, and the next is we will go to this 11 bugle beads, and this gold bugle beads and gold seed beads. We're just like a zigzag stitch, and then we will go to the opposite side of the 11 more seed beads. Here, this one. So we are connecting and reinforce them to make it more tough. And I think I will go to this one. There's some kind of a weird one. And we will go to here and here. And I will go down. Oh, and then here. And then here. Oh. There's something wrong with my... And then we'll go here. I think this is the last one. And I will secure, and I will knot them to finish. Be careful to your seed beads because they are broken. They will be broke sometimes, you know. And I think this is the last one. And I will knot it like this. So I will cut the thread and I will burn it. Done. And look. Isn't it great? So fit to me in the size. If you were, so you can take the size of your hand like this. If you are alone in the house, you know, you can take the size of your hand like this. Okay, so done. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god, thank you. This is you know, good one. Okay, so this is our video and this is our project. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this Russian spiral beaded bangle with me. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more bead weaving projects. See you on the next video. Bye.